साफ होना चाहिए और ज़्यादा जमा नहीं होना चाहिए। लंबा उठने से प्रॉब्लम होता है इस मशीन में। कंटिन्यू संध्या को दियो दे। हम इसको ट्रायल करके देखेंगे।
Hello, how are you, sir? We are testing our new model. This is metal, not wood. It's metal. The seedling here, size 40, and this is 30. Both can transplant by our machine. This is 3 millimeter. It's okay. This is 88 millimeter. Also okay, good for our machine. So we can transplant both of these in our machine. Put on the machine like this. One hunk by one hunk, and confirm it a line like this. This is not good. Should be a line like this. This is not good. It's okay, and put on the machine like this. Guarantee it's a line. And put on the machine like this. So when you transplant, your left hand up, do not push up, and your eyes look at the hawk and the back. If there is any miss in transplanting, you have to stop for a moment. Also, your eyes look at the side to control the distance between each row. Now we start transplant. Your foot, try to in the middle, not like this. There are too many holes, not good for transplanting. In the middle, like a model on tea table.
Channel.
Here is the quantity controller. Here. Now we change the controller a little more. here. Now quantity will be more, quantity will be less. Now we make it a little more, like this. Knock it. And the distance between rows between two rows is 25. Cannot change. But these two rows, between these two rows, here the distance can be controlled by operator, like this. Here is two rows. Here is another two rows. If you make the machine here, then the distance will be bigger. If you move the machine to here, then the distance will be shorter. So we make more, put more seedling on the machine. A line like this. Like this. A line. Now we check the quantity for each here. So 3 pieces and all in good condition, no damage. 3 pieces, 4 pieces, all in good condition. 5 pieces, 4 pieces. So it's good.